Okay. Just make sure it's got mesh.
You come with radiator too.
So I remember.
Yeah, I'm not using the mesh, brother.
With 14 bumbo clad. Yeah, man. I this it up. Carlos.
In up, back again upstairs. When you come upstairs.
My day, I get you. Lord, Carlos, you can't get res.
No, I'm dead.
Brother, right off him, man, brother.
Easy.
Come with me, come with me.
I'm with you. 100%.
Come with me.
100% I'm here. He's got
one boy have a gun in or something. That's fine. I'm with you. We're not dead.
Back out to you, you hear him?
Yes. Take the next one. Come with me. One down the corner. That's fine. I'm focused on that one. I'm focused. One more palm me out there again. One more out there again. One more out there palm me again. One more.
I'm hearing you. I just cannot speak.
He's there. He's reloading. Nice.
Give me res. No, I can't. Are you fucking insane?
Blood clot. More man did it. Hasta más man did it.
Yeah, blood clot, madman.
Do you like?
No, Carlos, no.